see if I can man it up and just grab the shit. So, oh, my peoples! Today we're doing something delicious. Let me show you. What we have here is a whole entire box of pork riblets. Now, I got this from the military commissary and it was $12.30 for the whole box. Look at all these riblets in here, man. You know, at Applebee's, how they have those like riblet all-you-can-eat times? That's because they have these, and they're actually fairly cheap, so they can make a ton of money off of these. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, gonna wash them, put them here, put some nice, good, savory seasonings on, and we're gonna get them on the grill. We're gonna smoke them, and we're gonna be, oh man, it's gonna be great. So let's just get to work right now. We're gonna start by rinsing these things. Woo, that was a task. Okay. Just for the sheer amount of riblets that we have, I'm only gonna cook half that box. The other half, I'm gonna have to, I don't know, store and cook them at another time because there's way too many. Like, that's crazy. I'm not having a party. Let me show you how many. Holy crap, that's only one. Here's the other half. Holy moly. So we're gonna be cooking with this today. We're gonna work with this and we're gonna go ahead and put some seasoning on right now. All right, so what we're gonna start with is some W sauce. I'm gonna throw some W sauce on here as a binder, kind of get it on everything. And yeah, I know, W sauce, all the different ways of saying that word. So we're just not going to say the word. We're just gonna put all this in here, add a little flavor and a little binder. Ground black pepper, keep it simple. Keep it simple. And we're just gonna kind of rub it on here and, you know, get it on every single one of them. Hit it with a little smoky Southwest Fresh Jacks. Awesome. Now that we have all of our seasonings on here, we're gonna go ahead and get this on the smoker and get some smoke on here. We need some nice smoky flavor. So let's go to the smoker. All right, so we're out here on the deck. And of course, they're still building all these crazy houses and stuff out here. It's a nice day. Oh, look, sprinklers are coming on, perfect. So what we have is our Pit Boss Pro Series. This is an 850. It's brand new. I've only done a couple of smokes on it. So I just took out the top rack and then we're gonna go ahead and lay these across and hopefully we can get them all on here. This is the 850, so it should have the space. Let's start by laying them back this way. All right, so they're all on here, or at least the half that we're gonna cook now, and they are smelling awesome already. We're gonna go ahead and close this up, and we're gonna let them smoke for an hour, and we're gonna do that at 275. So let's go up to 270. Oh, we'll go ahead and do 270. All right, that'll be it. All right, so we got the smoker going. We'll give those things about an hour and a half. We'll go out there and check them out, see what they look like. Then what we want to do is do something extra special in order to make them tender. So we're gonna do something a little different than what we're doing right now. So stay with us, hold up, wait a minute. I would not be the drinking chef on YouTube if I didn't do this. Woo! I needed that one. Woo, 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 woo. Fire. All right, so here's our riblets at an hour. Now, we need to go an hour and a half, so what we're gonna do is do a quick flip. Take a look here. Looking good, looking good. We're just gonna go down the line and flip them all. See you in another 30 minutes. Okay, so we are at 1.5 hours, right on the nose. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and take these riblets out and we're gonna put them in our little pan over here. I do have some veggie tables for later. Put them in the bottom of there. But right now we're gonna take all these and actually, you know what? Let's do it lengthwise because that makes more sense. I think we'll be able to get double trouble if we do that. Get all these in here. They look delicious already. Look at them. We're not even there yet, man. We got a lot more work to do. Not even there yet. But I can tell you what, we got enough in here for myself, you, your neighbors, the cat, dog, chicken, the hog. Well, this is already hog, so we can't really feed it to the hog. That would be wrong, right? All right, no cannibalism on YouTube. We'll take all these off. Take them in the house and get on to the next step, which is just going to be something super, super delicious. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a braised sauce so we can braise these. Now, we're going to start out with some butter here. Now we're going to put a whole stick of butter, real butter. It is salted sweet cream butter. So we're just going to go ahead and cut these into little chunks here. And then we're going to throw them in with our yummy, delicious riblets and our couple of little vegetables that we have. And we're going to add some more good stuff. Okay, so here's some chunks of butter here. And we're just going to kind of lay them in here. It really doesn't matter where, because we're going to make a sauce here. So this is going to be outstanding. Take all these, kind of just lay them around. Looks cool. All right, now we're going to take some brown sugar. Now this is about, I would say, half cup. Take a half cup brown sugar, and it really doesn't have to be broken up that much. It's going to melt. So just throw the brown sugar around. Kind of throw it around. Why? You'll see. You'll see why. It's going to make a awesome braised sauce, and we can even use that as a dipping sauce later. That's the plan. So we'll see. All right, so throw that in there. Boom. Nice. All right, so now we're going to throw in some honey. Now, this is an important step, right? Honey for the money. Yeah. So we need to make sure we get enough honey in here for the sweet, because we like sweet. I mean, it's going to be sweet and savory all at the same time, right? It's going to be so delicious. Barbecue sauce. Now, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. I'm using the Kraft Slow Simmered Original Barbecue Sauce. It tastes delicious. And you just kind of get the barbecue sauce in there too, because this is going to be part of your braised sauce. And, you know, just kind of go around liberally and make sure that you get enough of it in there that when it starts to cook down, you have a nice sauce in the bottom of your pan here. So we're going to go ahead and use the rest of this. Wasn't much in here. We'll use the rest of it for our braised sauce. All right, now that we have it boiled, we're going to put it back on the grill for an hour. Right at an hour. About 59 minutes and 59 seconds. We'll pull it off and see what we have. Now we're going right back in the middle of the grill at 270, 280, whatever you want. It's hot enough where it's actually going to melt all this, and it's going to start to caramelize. So I'm going to go ahead and close that back up, and I will see you in an hour. It's going to be another hour. Let's go. Ooh, that's number 2. You see me take 2 shots in the video in about 3 minutes. All right, we're outside. We're going to grab this and take it inside. Woo! All right, so we're back in the house, and we're going to unpack this and see what we got. Woo-wee. Oh, shit, people. Look at that. My goodness. Look at that. Let me get the tongs. All right, so that's what we're looking at right there, man. That's it. That's awesome. Now, if you see, the sauce is still liquid on the ribs. So, and it's saucy throughout, right? But you see the sauce is on there. So what we want to do is firm this up a little bit. So we're going to take these and we're going to take them back outside and put them on the grill. And at higher temperature, I have it at 450 degrees. And then we're going to firm this sauce up. And then we're going to come back and eat. Ooh, that's slippery. But look at that. See that juice in there? We can actually use this juice as a dipping sauce, right? It's a lot of fat stuff in there, but it is delicioso. Look at that. So we're gonna take these back outside, dip them back in here, throw them on the grill for 3 minutes aside or so, and then they'll be soft and ready to eat. They're already soft. You can already see that. See, they just pull apart. But we're gonna take them back outside first. I'm not. Well, you know what? I might save that bite. Put that over there. All right, let's get these back on the grill. All right, so we're back outside and we're back on the grill here. And what we're gonna do is close this down and we're gonna leave them here for about 2 or 3 minutes per side. And then we're gonna flip them, do the other side, and then we're gonna be done, ready to eat. We're what we're gonna do with this sauce is we're gonna take this sauce and pour it in a bowl, save it. All right, so we're done. We did the first flip, and now we're ready to pull these. All right, so here we go, folks. This is completely done. All the cooking, all 3 stages are finished, and we have some delicious looking food here. You know what? We're just gonna grab it. We're gonna see if I can man it up and just grab the shit. So, oh, fuck. Nope, I thought so. My fingers taste good. That shit is so fucking hot. Damn, but that flavor is amazing. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do first. I'm just gonna go ahead and get these all organized so I can take a picture and then we'll eat. All right, got them all laid out, took my pictures and all that stuff, and now it's time to do the taste test. I'm gonna take the same rib that I had earlier because I'm mad at it because it burned me. So look at that. That looks fantastic. Nice sticky rib. We love sticky ribs. Hold on, let me get my hands clean real quick. All right, let's try this sticky rib out and see what we get. Super good. That's our little itty bitty bone. We take that bone, toss it to the side. Get you another one. This shit's good, man. Applebee's ain't got shit on this. Let me tell you that. Nothing. I don't even know. I need to open a restaurant with that stuff. Just that alone. Like, I could have a food truck of just that. Shit, that is so fucking good. Woo, baby. Hey, look. Like, subscribe, share, do all the things that, you know, YouTube wants you to do. I gotta go. I'm hungry. There's a lot of food here. I'm probably gonna eat all of it. I would share it with you guys, but you guys aren't here right now. So, hey man, thanks for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one.